Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Nissan Fairlady Z Nismo GT500. So I bought this specifically because someone in my comment section, he was asking it, for me to unbox this one. So I bought this one. So this one is specifically for you, whoever you are. So I'm happy that you guys actually asking me to unbox specifically something. So let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. So this one I purposely left out at that point of time because it didn't have that acrylic for headlights. But after I saw a few pictures and all these things, then I came to know it has what you can say good paint job, and it looks really nice. Okay, so here it is. So okay, it comes with a card. Okay, let's see what's this one is. Okay, so it's the livery to put it. Okay, first let's look at the car and then we will do this. So here is the car itself. Okay, the first impressions of this car are like this is really well made casting. It's like pitch black and it looks really beautiful. I think you guys can see it here clearly now. My only nitpick is they should have just gone with some kind of acrylic here. So I really like Tomica castings because they're really solid. It's not like Hot Wheels or anything. They always have some kind of issues. So the scale is 1:65. So the spoiler is actually made of some kind of plastic. So you can see it here. It's actually fitted inside the body of the car. So the logo placement is really nice. So I personally love Tomica's logo placement because they were never off. It was always really nice. So the back side there are no headline or tail lights details. I think we need to see if they given something here. Yeah, they given something here actually. So we need to stick it here across this panel here, this one. Okay. Okay, let's do it guys. Let's see whether we are able to do this because I never did something like this before. Okay, let's take this out. It's a bit tricky, but yeah, I think I got it. Okay, once it is stuck, then you can't able to remove it. I think I got it at least a bit well. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So this one comes here, I guess, this Bosch one. Okay, let's remove this. So don't blame me guys because the first time I'm doing something like this. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah. And this Motul one, where it is going, and I think it is going here below the fenders, I guess. I think here. Yeah, I guess so. Okay, before that, let's put the front windshield first. I think it's a bit bigger. I don't think I can mess this one. Let's see. Yep, got it. Okay. Now, oh my god, they given so many small liveries. Okay, one for both sides, so I think we can stick it. This is a bit hard to remove. Okay, this side is perfect now. Let's move on to the next side. Wow, this is difficult to remove. Okay, I teared up the entire thing. Okay, no, I think I messed up the sticker here. See, this is, I don't like this kind of very small stickers. This is very tiny, you know. Okay, come on, little bit. Yeah, it's a little bit folded, but that's what I can do now. Okay, so now the last but not okay, the bigger one, another one is here. I don't know how it is going to stick there, but let's see. So I personally like Tomica giving, you know, some kind of accessories or some kind of things for the price, especially for the price we are paying. But I don't like this kind of stickers because it is taking a lot of time while doing this videos. So I really want to keep my videos very short and sweet so that everyone can enjoy it. It's already 7 minutes now. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god, it is very small. I think it goes here. Okay, so there is one more. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, let's throw this away. And yeah, so here is the car in full glory now. All the stickers added. Yeah, so I think it has suspension. Yeah, it does has. The casting is really neat. It's really good. I don't see any paint irregularities or paint chipping or any kind of thing. It looks really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test as usual. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. It rolls, but it doesn't roll really well. At least what I can say is it doesn't have any wheel wobble. So both set of wheels, you know, both front and rear wheels are really nice. It doesn't wobble at all. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.